What is going on, beautiful people? This is your favorite certified life coach, Hossam Abu State. Today, we're going to be talking further about toxic parents, specifically the invisible child. Your feelings and ideas are not important. My feelings and my ideas are the only thing that's important. This is the main underlying current that a toxic parent projects onto their child. A child on the receiving end of this kind of treatment, deprived of adequate time, attention, and care, begins to feel like they're invisible, like we don't even exist. For a child to develop a healthy sense of self-worth, we need to feel that we matter. We need to feel that we are important. For that to happen properly, the parent needs to validate the child's feelings. The parent needs to validate the child's needs. If the parent fails to do so, the child begins to identify with the parent's feelings instead of their own feelings. The child begins to identify with their parents' needs instead of their own needs. As this child grows, they continue to have difficulty in their adult life. Difficulty having independent thoughts, difficulty having an independent identity, and a difficulty identifying their own feelings. All of that because independent thoughts, feelings, and needs were not encouraged. One of the difficulties can be impact in relationships because we don't know what to expect in a healthy, loving relationship. If this is your first time to my channel and you enjoy this content, hit the like and subscribe button in order for the knowledge to reach more people. Also, check out my website for free life coaching tools and to book one-on-one sessions to work with me in order to unlock persistent mental and emotional blocks that hold us from optimizing our relationships, career, and self-image. I'm here and I'm here for you. Let's continue. To move forward in your journey, you need to begin honoring your own thoughts, honoring your own feelings, and honoring your own needs. From this little conversation I just had with you, I put together a set of affirmations. Affirmations are a great way to kickstart new ways of thinking and feeling. I encourage you to repeat these affirmations every morning, every night, until you really start to feel them. 1. I'm learning that my ideas and feelings count, and not just my parents'. 2. Since I was deprived of adequate time, attention, and care, I now honor my own need for time, attention, and care. 3. Since my needs, feelings, and thoughts were not validated, I'm now practicing validating my own thoughts, feelings, and needs. 4. I used to identify with what my parents are feeling, but now I'm learning and practicing identifying with my own feelings. 5. I'm learning to build my own independent identity, my own thoughts, and my own independent feelings. 6. I'm learning about what exactly to expect in a healthy relationship. 7. I now understand and I'm excited to start owning more of my feelings, owning more of my thoughts, and owning more of my needs. This is Hossam reminding you that whatever you desire is achievable, so keep improving every day, no matter how little.